In the game of financial expenses, we often doubt whether we should take a personal loan or use our tempting credit card to get what we desire. Both have their pros and cons. Let's see how they fare against each other. Firstly, personal loans offer the advantage of flexible repayment terms, making them much more adaptable than credit cards. Credit cards have fixed minimum monthly payments that you'll be required to pay. With a personal loan, you can tailor your repayment schedule to fit different financial planning styles. Then comes the borrowing capacity. Personal loans offer a much higher loan amount, making them ideal for larger expenses like home renovations or medical bills. With personal loans, you can access more funds and they come with a fixed repayment plan. Credit cards, however, have a credit limit, which may not be enough for larger financial needs. While they are great for everyday purchases or smaller urgent expenses, they typically don't provide the same flexibility in borrowing as personal loans. And when it comes to purpose, personal loans provide immediate access to funds when you need them most, making them ideal for urgent financial needs. On the other hand, credit cards are much better suited for everyday spending. When it comes to financial stability, personal loans are the clear winner. They come with fixed interest rates, which provide predictability and stability for your financial planning. In contrast, credit cards can be more confusing, as their interest rates often vary and fluctuate on the basis of the market conditions or issuer policies. Now, let's address the most important part: collateral. The good news is that neither personal loans nor credit cards require collateral, offering an added benefit of no assets at risk. Ultimately, control is the key. Whichever option you choose, no one's stopping you from borrowing, but it's crucial to exercise caution and handle your debt prudently. So whether you opt for a personal loan or a credit card, it all comes down to your needs. Both can be effective tools for managing your finances, but in different ways. If you decide to get a personal loan, choose True Balance for a quick, paperless, and hassle-free loan experience.